You wake up in the morning, prepare yourself, and you're good to go. All I wanted is to go to Nakuru, and this driver in front of me, the Subaru guy and the Premio guy, wanted to show us a drama. I think alikuwa anataka tupande pamoja juu. Anyway, tell me who you think was wrong here. You see, they were just about to crash there, and what would have happened is that Premio, I think these guys would have gone different direction, to the different side of the road, because zingegongana hivi, Premio iende to the right, Subaru iende to the left. But because Subaru is more stable, I think this guy would have survived. So I woke up very early in the morning here. I'm going to Nakuru. Yes, I had something to do in Nakuru, and then boom, tulipofika pale, this is just past Delamere. And by the way, I have posted this video in my TikTok. My TikTok bears the same name as this channel, Evans the Traveler, and that video has 5.9 million views. So you can go check it out kwa TikTok. But just imagine if those views zingekuwa hapa hivi kwa YouTube. Mimi size John ningekuwa nakula fiti. Joe. So after watching this video, please consider liking it and tell me who you think was on the wrong, because one of the things that I have noticed kwa hii barabara, if you don't want to be on the wrong ama kupata na accident, my friend, first of all, usitikie trailer ikae nyuma yako kama ni trailer inakimbia. 2, usikaribie trailer sana kama iko mbele yako, so that you can see mbele yako vizuri, ndio ukitaka kuovertake unachomoka tu, wewe unaweka sport mode, una overtake. So hii barabara, this is one of the most deadliest road, and I think government did a lot of disservice to us, kwa sababu hii barabara ndo wangeunda kwanza. This is the one that was supposed to be a dual carriage anyway. But yeah, hii ni Nakuru-Nairobi, Nakuru Highway. Hapa hivi ni past Delamere pale Naivasha. And yes, it's one of the roads that you need to be very careful. If you actually have a car that has cruise control, consider kuiset up to 100. Ndo ukipitisha inakuwa alert. 2, inakimbia yenyewe inafika 100, because kwa hii barabara this road is rated 100 kilometers per hour, and I think it is the same case for that Mahio. Yeah, and if you see this guy is in a Volvo. This guy is Joe. This, I think it's a 1.6 turbo or a 2 liter Volvo, but the guy is overtaking like hell, even when there is a yellow line, and as you know, you're not supposed to overtake on the bridge. So hii barabara unafaa kuwa very careful. So hapa hivi mimi nilikuwa naenda Nakuru, and let me tell you something. I think the Subaru guy became traumatized, because let me tell you, that guy stayed behind me mpaka nikafika pale Gilgil. That was the last place nilimuona, and I think as you can see, he actually have a very capable car, and he was not speeding. But the guy in a canter hapa, another way he is doing. Anyway, that's it. Try as much as possible to hit the like button. I know I don't usually say this, but please subscribe, hit the like button, and please give me your opinion about these guys. Who do you think was on the wrong here? Because this video has elicited different reactions pale TikTok, with over 300,000 comments, with people making their own comments from all over the world. But now it's your opportunity. Please tell me in the comment section who you think is on the wrong. Adios muchachos.